Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video, and as you see here, the daily candle what it did, and as also we said, today is Monday, so that one is showing also is going to go down. So I think tomorrow maybe we are going to go higher, but let's wait in tomorrow what is going to bring to us. And here everything's still the same, guys. If you remember what I told you here, the only thing that candle here, it's breaking down that channel as we used to have here, if you remember it. But the volume down here, it's still very low, guys. As I tell it to you, that week there is the CPI or the inflation of USA. So all the world it's waiting what's going to happen, and here down we still have that very stronger level, so there is nothing new here in the daily, guys. The only thing we need to do here, we need to wait in what the market going to do, either from here to go back up or from here to go down. And I'm going to explain to you everything, guys. What I got me in my chart, let me show it to you. As you see it, guys, nothing was changed. I got here that channel, and that white one here, that one the long-term trend, as you see it. And here when the market came and touched for us that channel, the upper of the channel, now it's showing it going down. And here that level with yellow, that level here we said it's very stronger. That candle here it's showing it break it. So if the daily candle finish it like that, breaking that level we have here, you need to make a close eye at that level you have here down. So from here maybe it's going to go till here, but as I tell it to you, today just Monday, guys, and the volume is very dry. There is no volume in the market. So we need to make a close eye at what is coming. And as I told you, there is a problem in Binance. They hacked the Binance on-chain. So that meant that crypto world, it's still something new. And as majority of you know, and it's still developed. Someone he hacked $400 million, guys. It's a lot of money. So they still try to fix it, the problems. That's why it's falling here as you see it. But we will see the end of the week how we end up. Also we show you yesterday the weekly it's indicating that the market is going to fall down. So let's wait in the coming days, guys. And we update you every day. So by the way, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber in our channel? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Plus, every day, guys, we put in 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So like that, you will be updated every day what the Bitcoin market doing right now, guys. And by the way, if you follow only the Bitcoin, all the other cryptocurrencies, they follow the Bitcoin, guys. You don't need to analyze the others. It's very simple, my friend. A red button down, click at it, it will become green. Next to it, a bell, turn it to all. So like that, you will be notified when also we put in something new. Or join our Telegram channel. The link of it is in the first comment because you know majority of you know the crypto YouTube, they don't send notification. So when you are in our Telegram channel, when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, when it came, it touched here. Now it's showing here it's falling, but not yet, guys. As you see it here, I think it's going to fall down more till here. And we're going to see either from that level here to show us a reverse, it will go back up, or it will go back down till the oversold area, guys. So there is nothing confirmed yet. Or another story from here. It will go back up and break for us, and that one is going to be the best scenario for the Bitcoin, but that one for long term, guys, not yet. Let's go to see our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for pictures to be more clear to you. That one I show it to you thousands of times, guys. We have here a divergence here and here. We have another one, a smaller one here, and our indicator is at the oversold. All those things I show it to you, and we are in a very stronger level, a very stronger supply and demand zone. But should we enter, guys? Not yet. I told you, unless if it's breaking for us that trend line we have here. It doesn't even came next to it, guys. Maybe now it's going to come next to it. We'll see if it's going to break it or no. If it's break it, we will enter long. If it's not, we will not. Because we're still waiting the opportunity, guys. There is nothing to be rushed for. Wait until it came to you, guys. Or if you don't want that headache, just DCA, just dollar cost averaging every week, every month, every day, depending on your money management or how much money you earn. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. And you, I know you are a subscriber. You just smash the like button, my friend. Go ahead and smash in the like button and write down a comment. You done it? It's very simple, my friend. It will not take you a lot. It's only 1 second, my friend. Go ahead and smash in the like button, writing down a comment, helping us guys. You know that channel, it will not grow up without you guys. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. In the 4 hours, if you remember, boss, we enter short because of the double top. We enter from here. Look where we are. We are here now. We are in profit, guys. Shall we take profit now? We are so close, guys. But not yet. And what did I told you in the previous videos, guys? Here, in the 4 hours. Here, what did I told you? We used to have here a triangle, guys. Yes or no? What happened to that triangle? Here, guys, in that zone, here, what happened to it? Look with me very close what I'm going to show you. It came down, it break it, then it go back up, he touch it. Now he came down, he breaking for you the last low, which is here, guys. Yes or no? What that indicating? You are in a downtrend, guys. You are going down. But another thing, I'm going to show it to you here. Let's zoom it a little bit. Here, look with me very close, guys, what I'm going to show you here. Look with me. Here, you try to connect in those dots like that. And you came up here. What the market give you there, guys? It's a flag. Yes or no? Look at it. If you came here, like that. It's a very clear flag, guys. Now, if the Bitcoin break here, you bring that one, that line, that one, and you put it from the top, from here, till where it's going to be down, guys. That's the target. Everything is too clear, guys. The Bitcoin here, it's showing you are in a downtrend, guys. Look at it. Are in a very downtrend. Even if you came here and you draw in a channel like that, look at it. The lower of it is going to be here. Here in that zone, exactly. So by the end of this day, maybe we will be here in that level. We don't know where it will be exactly, but also we're still going down, guys. Everything is too clear here, guys. Now let's see our indicators, what the same for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Let's go now to see our indicator. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, what we said here. Said it's going to come back to touch here and it's going to fall down. That's what it done here exactly. Look where you are. And if you remember what else we said when we used to be here, we said a low, a high, came down, he give you another low, he go back, he give you another high. Now he's going to another low, guys. Yes or no? Now should you buy? Not yet, guys. Not yet. Look here with me. Here, where you are now. You are in a stronger level, guys. Yes or no? You see it here. What it done here and what it done here. You are in it now. But now he breaking for us that level we used to be here in it, guys. Yes or no? Everything is very simple, guys. Now let's go to see our other indicator, guys. What it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our other indicator, guys, as you see it, we enter because we been here at the overbought area. In that zone, as we enter. Look where we are now. We are very close to the oversold area, guys. What should you do now? Stop lose, move it down, guys, and take some of the profit. That's my advice to you. Take some of the profit now. That market, you can't trust in it. Take some of the profit and move the stop lose down. Tomorrow is Tuesday, guys. Maybe the market will go up again. So now take some of the profit, guys. Because that one is very, very, very close here. It might from here to go back up. So take some of the profit now. For long, guys, look with me. I'll show you that one thousands of times, guys, but it's okay to back it again. If it go back from here and breaking here, we enter long, guys. Remember that downtrend line also we draw here with a triangle. If it's being broken here, we are going to go till here, guys, till the top here, till 25k. So now you are in profit. Take some of the profit, move the stop loss down a little bit, at least to go out from the market equal, no losses, guys. And you waiting if it's breaking up, we enter long, guys. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin market doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. The last video being here in that zone here. I told you take some of the profit for the people that enter long because of that one. We show it to you before here. And look what happened. Now we are here at the oversold area, guys. And here what it's showing you. Look with me here and here, guys. What you seeing? Is it that one? It give you here a divergence, guys. Yes or no? That's what me I told you. I told you the market will go up. People they enter in the 4 hours, take some of the profit now. Now, should you enter long, guys? Look with me here. Very close here. What the market giving you, guys, here. It's like a flag or anything. If the market came and breaking for you here, guys, you enter long, guys. And another thing, look with me here, that the shoulder, that the head, if it came now, it give you another shoulder here. The same thing, you draw here a trend line. When it's going to be broken here, you enter long, guys. If it doesn't break the price action, don't enter, guys. And the easiest way you came to those ones, to those dots, those ones like that, and you draw them like that. Draw a downtrend like that. When it's being broken here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear here. Did you smash the like button, my friend? I know you haven't. Go now and smash it and write down a comment. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you in the daily candle finish it. Bye for now, guys.